How to reset your Instagram algorithm. So if you want to reset your Instagram algorithm, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Instagram application. Go with the profile, which is on the bottom right. Go with the top right, which has that 3-bar icon. Now scroll down, and here under what you see, you will have suggested content. Tap on it, and here you will have an option of reset suggested content on the bottom of your screen. So you just need to simply tap on reset suggested content, and it will ask you if you want to really reset your suggested content. So you just need to simply tap on it and your Instagram algorithm will be changed. Or if you don't have the suggested content option, then it might not be available in your region. You just need to simply go and update your application and you might get the option. Or if you still don't have the option, then you just need to simply go with interested or not interested, and you can adjust some contents right here. But if you have reset suggested content option, then it will be much easier for you. So that's how you can reset your Instagram algorithm, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.